When I first saw it, it was just like, wow, if that actually worked, that would be such a brilliant shift for how we build homes.
A bioceramic geodesic dome is the optimal combination of materials and geometry. It is fire resilient, earthquake resilient, hurricane resilient. There's nothing for mold to grow on. There's nothing for insects to eat. And it's designed to last for hundreds of years.
I wish people knew how truly game-changing this technology is.
Everything's made in a factory and you put it together like Legos. The serious issues that real estate has today, Geoship fixes.
The housing industry is facing a crisis on many levels. We have a huge affordability crisis, a crisis of health with the kind of toxic chemicals and mold found in houses. Geoship literally solves all of these problems.
The whole Geoship product is a far better real estate offering than anything I've ever seen on the market.
The geodesic dome is one of the greatest structures ever invented. It was just difficult to assemble before. Now with our type of technology, it becomes extraordinarily efficient and easy.
We're basically taking minerals, mixing them together just with water, and out of that is born a new material, which is this crystalline ceramic structure.
There are over 800 toxic chemicals in conventional building materials. Bioceramics are higher strength, lower cost, and is 100% non-toxic. Our vision, our Earth shot, is to make the best home on Earth the most affordable home on Earth and build a more beautiful world for our kids and grandkids.
If I could live in this house that can't mold, it's gonna last 500 years, I never wanna sleep in a rectilinear home again.
You don't see boxes out in nature, you see curves. Geodesic dome feels natural, feels good to be inside, feels amazing.
Fireproof, waterproof, windproof, non-toxic, it's just such a no-brainer, like everything about it.